when I was looking for my van, I was really looking for something that I could just keep in my driveway when I'm ready to go. All my toys, all my activities are already in the van, and I just go. So Matt really designed something that was flexible for me, built for me, and custom, and it was something I was really excited about.
How's everybody doing today? My name is Lars from Magno Vans. We got a beautiful build out we'd like to show you on this 2500 Mercedes 4x4 Sprinter. Got a lot of great things to show you inside this van today, so we'll go through it. All right, we're inside our new van build out of the Mercedes Sprinter van. Inside we had a lot of cool things to show you. Kind of start off with our battery system. We have the 400 amp hour lithium Victron system going in on this. That's 4 lithium batteries, and the inverter is 3000 watts. So we got a lot of power push into this with our solar on the roof and hooked up to our alternator to give you all the power you need when you're on the road. We have a bunch of cool cabinetry, maple countertop here, along with all the maple doors for all the cabinets. We have right above my head, to cool you down in the summer weather, you got the pneumatic 12-volt cooling air conditioner. And then in the back here, we have the max air fan to blow some air on you and to also take out the air in this great products in the ceiling there, with our cedar laid walls and cedar ceiling. On the floor, like most of our vans, we have a great product that we put in all of our vans. It's Lawn Seal marine vinyl flooring. Super durable, can get wet, clunk around. It is a great product that we have in here, almost indestructible. Right behind me, and also on our 2 windows inside, above our bed, and on the sliding door, we have the AM auto slider and screen windows in here, which are a great feature to keep the air flowing and get you all the views you need when you're in the van. Underneath the passenger seat over there, we have the Huevasto Heater, and it is piped out outside the van, so no exhaust from from the heater gets into the van at all. Super safe, keeps you nice and warm as well, and it's concealed right underneath the passenger van seat. What else? You got the beautiful lagoon table with the maple table mounted on top. Gives you access to the whole bench, which is a great feature. Can be moved around, taken off if you don't need it entirely. Underneath the bench that I'm sitting on here, we do have a Dometic CFX 75. The dual zone fridge is underneath this bench. Gives you all the storage of food and keep your things cold, stock up before any trip that you're on. For the interior, got a nice mattress here, good size, fit 2 people on here. Underneath the bed is tons of storage, and on the kitchen side, we do have a 25-gallon water over the wheel well. Keeps a little bit less space it takes up, so you have more room for that storage underneath the bed. We also have different outlets. We have USB outlets throughout the van above my head. On this panel here in the sink area, we have a USB, a 12-volt, 110 outlets, and then a dimmer light switch here, perfect for the lights above your head. We have the stainless steel, industrial stainless steel sink, nice and deep to work with, clean your dishes, cook food, and the faucet that we have here is actually awesome too. You can pull it out, it can spin around. You can use this to wash off your feet as well before you get in the van. Take a little shower, and the sprayer is great. Little shower, whatever you want, and then also obviously for the kitchen area and any cooking and cleaning you need to do here in the kitchen. As anybody knows, living in a van, you have to create space anywhere that you can. So great product by them. So on the outside of this 4x4 Sprinter van that we do have, got a little bit more of an upgrade adventure van. We have the Backwoods adventure mods on the front and back bumper. Gives this thing the nice rugged feel. Obviously it's a 4x4, so you're gonna get a little bit more places with this. You have tons of components that can be added onto these bumpers, hitches. It's gonna get anything that you want done. We installed this from them. Super sturdy, and it gives it a nice rugged look to this Mercedes 4x4 from Backwoods Adventure Mods. All right. Up top you see here we have the LED lights up on the front of the rack to illuminate your trail as you go. The Freedom Van Go aluminum roof rack, which is housing our solar panel up top. Tons of room to store your adventure products and goods, and it's lightweight, keeping your weight down on the van. Like I said, keeping up with this adventure van build out that we did, we got the Backwoods Adventure Mods bumper back here. Nice and rugged. Followed up with the Owl Vans box and tire. This is the B2 that they carry. So the rack is tied into the hinges on the back door, so it opens with it. No fumbling around, no extra components. It's well built. You can install the bikes up here with a bike rack. This is a locking box with tons of space in there. So you can, as you can see, tons of space to throw things that you want locked away with a key, and you don't need them in the van. We have, with this box, the B2 box, add-on components can be harnessed onto here, onto the sides. The Backwoods accompanied these guys with this mod out over here on this component. And if you look over here to get up to that Freedom Van Go aluminum rack, you have the tire and ladder set up here by the Owl Van scope. The Owl Vans, you just easy to throw on your spare tire, giving you the extra clearance underneath the van, and you can hoof up and grab all your items that you're not storing in the van up into that roof rack. With the ladder, again, same concept as we did over here. We tied it into the frame hinges, so it's not getting in the way. This thing opens up with all the components, nice and easy. And then you jump in your van, ready to go. All right, I didn't mention this with the sink and the water tank being over the wheel well. We carried out an extra little bonus feature for the actual real shower in this van. Is coming out right here out the back. You can hose yourself off, open up the doors, you can put a shower curtain and take a nice full shower. It does have hot and cold water. The hot water heater is along that side, so in the sink and in the shower, you got hot water on demand all the time, which is great. And out the back here, kind of didn't mention the night lights that we do have set up here. Both of them have USB, so you can plug in your phone while you're right next to you on your bed, which is a cool little added bonus onto our vans of these little features that we do have. And seeing our new builds, we got plenty in the pipeline. Keep, if you liked all these videos on YouTube, subscribe. Check out our website at mangovans.com. We're on all the social medias as well, Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions about this van build out, feel free to reach out to us. I think the client just rolled up and he's ready to take this thing on his adventures. Thank you guys again. See you next time.
My name is Bill, and today I'm picking up this awesome van from Magno Vans. I'm pretty stoked. They did a great job on it. Looks great, and I'm really excited. So when I started with Magno Van, I had a lot of questions, wasn't sure what I really wanted, but Matt and the team really directed me to, hey, this looks great, I think this will be good for you, and really made the process easy on me. All in all, it didn't take a lot of work on my behalf. The team really helped me out and really controlled the process and came up with an awesome product. So when I was looking to build out my van, I was really looking at something that was high quality, practical, and that could serve the needs. I do a lot of mountain biking, a lot of traveling, and looking for something that I could really grow into, and Matt and Magno Vans was phenomenal, helped me decide what decisions to make. Pretty excited about this van. Anyone looking to do work with Magno, I greatly suggest it. They're an awesome team, awesome craftsmanship, and will give you exactly what you're looking for.